RYOBI Quick Release Deck Guide for the 42-inch and 46-inch riding lawn tractors. Move the mower to a level surface and ensure the blade and gauge knob is down. Remove the start key and set the parking brake. Move the deck height adjustment lever to the deck release position. Disconnect the two power cables that connect the cutting deck to the mower. Pull the deck release handle out and rotate toward the back of the mower. Repeat on the opposite side of the mower. Lift the deck and slide forward to detach the deck clip from the J-hook. Slide the deck out from under the mower. Reverse the process to reattach the cutting deck to the mower. Need additional help? Call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579.